As a Canadian, I take our national dish seriously. The fries need to be the right thickness. Too thin and they're just flimsy. Too thick and they're just chips. The gravy, rich, silky, and coats every fry perfectly. And the cheese curds. If they don't squeak, they're not right. For me, no additional toppings, no gimmicks. If it goes beyond the essentials, it's not poutine. It's just loaded fries. So let's make the ultimate classic poutine. Your potato choice matters. You want a variety that's higher in starch, like a russet or King Edward's. Sometimes stores just label this as baking potatoes. That's what you're looking for. We'll be taking these fries to the next level. Instead of just cutting and frying, we'll be brining and double frying these fries for maximum crisp and flavor. Cut your fries between 1/4 and 1/2 inch strips and soak them in ice water to remove excess surface starch. We'll then brine them in a 3% salt solution. So for every 4 cups of water, we're adding 28 grams of salt. I'm also adding black peppercorns, pink peppercorns, bay leaves, garlic, and coriander seeds, but these are optional. You can swap or skip them. We'll brine our fries for at least 8 hours or up to 4 days. Next, drain and dry your fries. If you have time, lay them out on a sheet tray and let them dry in the fridge for an hour. Otherwise, just pat them dry. For frying, we're using a neutral oil like canola or vegetable. Our first fry will be at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. If you need to, fry in batches. Don't overcrowd your pot. We'll then let our fries rest for 10 to 15 minutes while we bring our oil up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for our second fry. We'll then fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Important to note here, the longer you brine your fries, the less of a deep golden hue they'll take on. They'll still be super crispy, but just note, if you brine your fries for 4 days, they won't take on that deep golden hue. Don't forget to immediately salt them after frying. Now, poutine is all about the gravy, and we're making a deep, rich one with homemade beef stock. Check out my stock recipe video. We're gonna melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium to high heat. Then whisk in 1 tablespoon of flour to make a roux, letting it cook for about a minute. We'll then whisk in our beef stock, stirring until smooth and thickened. Once we've reached our desired consistency, season with salt and pepper to taste. On to the star of the show. If they don't squeak, they're not right. They can sometimes be difficult to source, though check your local cheesemonger or online. If you can't find curds, a mild white cheddar is a decent backup, but it's not the same. Now for the best part. Stack your fries, layer your cheese curds, and drizzle that hot, rich gravy all over. This is real poutine. Crispy fries, squeaky curds, and silky gravy in every bite. No shortcuts, no compromises, just pure poutine perfection.